Nitte Meenakshi Institute of Technology, popularly known as NMIT.
Okay, so now shall we see how to draw this sketch. Now go to the I'll use the draft sheet over here for how to draw a sketch in your textbook. Sorry, I'll use now part designing. In that I'll go to the sketch and I'll use that only as a sketch one. So in this I'll draw the sketch part of your single riveted lap joint. So the dimensions are, we are having single riveted lap joint and the 9 mm thickness. So first let us uh, first let us draw this sketch of lines. So 9 mm thickness lines. This is the first sheet. I wanted to join it, and then second sheet. And this is the second sheet. Now, before I'm going to do this, I just like to draw an axis line. First, draw an axis line. Treat this is your textbook, your notebook, and draw this. Yeah, and take it as in a portrait manner. So, and take it down first an axis line. Let me do once again. So, first draw an axis line, exactly center on it, like this. Then draw an 9 mm sheet, thickness sheet, like this. One sheet is done. Another one. It's an a lap joint. That's why I'll take it one more. This length is not fixed. So this the sheet length. How much we want? Like let it be. The sheet length is very long. Let it be like that only. Don't bother about the length of the sheet from here to here and here to here. And we have a margin thickness is, what is the margin means, end of the sheet from here to here we have a margin we call, that is having a formula is 1.5d, and we don't know the d, diameter of the rivet. D is equals to 6 root t, and t is the thickness of the rivet, thickness of the sheet. So if you substitute there, and we get the diameter is 18 mm. So let us draw now diameter of the rivet over here. So diameter of the rivet, if you wanted to draw here, so I'll just take in a rectangular here and I'll draw like this. Like this I'll draw from here to, distance of this is to be 9, and from here to distance should be 9. So now you have then height of from here to here should be 18, because 9 plus 9 is 18. So now you got it. Now I'll remove this extra lines not to be here. These lines not to be there. Okay. Now rivet diameter is done. From here to we have a margin thickness is there in the sketch. Sorry, in a formulas. M is equals to 1.5. D is an 18. Then you get it as an 27 mm. So go to the here and draw from here to center is at 27. Even if this is the same manner, even in a lower also, the sheet end will have a margin length. So 27. That is done. So next, this rivet diameter is done and this is done. Let us draw the rivet head. Rivet head diameter is, we have a formula is 1.6D. So that is 28.8 radius diameter. And rivet head thickness is also given 0.7 dd 12.6 mm. Okay, and then one more is there, we have a formula for then from axis to here is zero point 0.1 d, so that is 1.8 point 1 into d is 1.8. So now 1.8 d, you take it a line from here to the lower 1.8 length. Okay, let me draw like this. The point over the axis lies on this center is 1. We have a head diameter is 28.8 is the diameter. I want it as a radius here, so I'll take it down like this and I'll place like this and I'll draw an rivet head like that. So this is the same manner. Lower also have a rivet head diameter. So I'll take it this from here to as an 1.8 D and take an arc that is 28.8 divided by 2 40. So I'll take it their point exactly and I'll draw an rivet head like this. So after this, I just delete this. It's not necessary to draw this. Then this is what you will get it and then riveted, and these edges will not be sharp. So for that, you are going to use it and cut from here to the here. We are going to reduce the angle for that. So I just use it like an draw a line like this randomly. I'll draw from here to here and I'll take it an angle of 10 degrees. Similarly, I'll draw once again here. I'll just draw a line like this and I'll use the constraint option and I'll give an angle of 10 degrees. So now unwanted line, I'll delete it. Okay, like this you have to draw. Next, go to the fit view. Let us draw it in the lower portion of that is top view of this section. There they mentioned it's in a 3 rivets should be arranged. That means show minimum 3 rivets. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So then shall we draw first like you leave some space to here and draw a line just like this below this, from here to we'll start and a top view and from there like this. So extend this line till end. How long we want, we don't know. Let us draw like this. Till how long I can draw like that much. Okay. Then one more line we can get it out from here to just below, small gap like this. And draw the till end. Okay. From here to till end. Now even this side also till here. Now one side is left with another. This is the top view. So with these lines will be then a hidden line. So I'll take it as a like this. Now one more just beside this, one more line is also there. I'll take it down that one also, like that dotted line, like double line. Okay. Now like this we are done. Now let me take it and a circles. Let me draw and a first rivet diameter. I'll take it. So I'll just draw a rivet diameter is 18. So 18 divided by 2, 9 mm. So I just taken a point from here to the end of the sheet should be 27. So next point from here to here, the next rivet is having any distance. Rest rivet diameter is 18. I'll place it on this circle like this, and these two have any distance is 54. It's a longitudinal pitch. So like this. So then this is not going to be visible for the in the top view. So you'll make it in a dotted lines. And then we have a rivet diameter is also. So rivet diameter is 28 by zero point 0.8 divided by 2. Rivet head diameter is circle is this. So even this also will draw on 3 rivets. Okay. Then I'll just draw a line of from here to here like this, and from here to end it of the sheet is having how much is 27. From here to this is having 27. So let me draw a line like this, extension. Longitudinal pitch. You get like this. Now extend the line. So this is what single riveted lap joint sketching in your sketchbook. Now let us draw this in your CAD model. CAD modeling in 3D experience software. Let me open into the part design, or here I'll take it one of the lay axis on the plane, go to the sketch, and there let me draw a first two sheets. So which is having from here to like this. Okay, let me take it in a rectangular box like this. This I'll consider as an a length of the sheet. Okay, so that means in a top view, I'm going to view in that. So in the top view, so how much the three rivets I need to take, show it very clearly for that. So what is I should take means first is 27 margin length, next is 54 pitch for the second rivet, next one more is 54 plus 27 is the end of the sheet. So this is the length I need it. So I'll get it as 162. And this length of the sheet is it's not like a necessary for me. Like not a more than like I need it. Let it be that more than a 200. So I'll come out from here. Before that, I'll make it in a rivet holes also in this sheet. Rivet diameter hole, that is 18 divided by 2. I'll draw a two circles over there, and I'll use the constraint tool with this, which is having a margin is 27, and the next is translate to, and which is having a 54. So now it's done. So let me check it out. This two, this is 54. This two, this circle is 54. From here to this is 27. Now from here to here is also 27 should be there. So everywhere here to the end of the sheet will be 27. This point to this. Okay. So now come out from here. Use an exit tab and come out from here and give it a pad option of thickness of the sheet is 9 mm. So give it a 9 mm. This is a single sheet. Okay, and I make it. I'm going to go to the properties, and I'm going to name it as a sheet, and I'm going to save it on the server. Now it's a saved. So the same sheet I want it in the that side also, right? So I'll not it make it one more sheet only for that. I'll use this sheet only for the another side also. So now I'll draw the rivet. So we have an rivet diameter is 18. So go to the sketch and draw an rivet diameter is 18. That is divided by 2. 9 mm circle. And come out from here and draw, give it an a pad of, it's in a symmetric, and give it an a one side 9 mm thickness. I center I wanted to place, that's why give it an like this. Okay, on top face, so I'll select this perpendicular plane and I'll draw the rivet head is having a like in a cut of the spear. So I just draw an earth from here to here. The diameter is 28.8 divided by 2. So not even that. So from here to here we had an like 1.8, we have to take it out now. From here 1.8, draw a line like this, and from there we are taken an arc. That is how much? Arc radius is 28.8 divided by 2. So take it from here, just like this, join it like this, and join this here to here. Then trim these remaining lines, unwanted lines, because in a system you need it in a one closed profile. So for now I'll use this as a shaft option. Shaft, rotate in the axis. So I'll give it this, and I'll get it a rivet. So now I wanted to make it in the lower portion of it. So I'll select this one, and I have a tool that mirror. So I just do this thing and I'll finish the rivet. So go now, rivet is done. So I'll name it as a rivet and save it. Next I'll go to the assembly. Here go to assembly and open. Here go to the insert 3D experience, existing 3D part. I'll just get the first sheet of here. I got the first sheet and I'll fix this. Okay. Then I'll go to once again this, and I'll go to the insert 3D existing part. I'll get the another sheet. So this is overlap one by one. So I wanted to join this overlapping one on this. So this is fixed. I don't want to move. So for that I'll just take an engineering connection. Which one wants to move? I'll just touch first that one, and then second one is this one. Okay, it's lapping now. Now it's axis to axis. Then say first sheet, second sheet. Now coincide it. Your connection is proper. Check it out. If it's done, give it an OK and yes. Okay. This you update it. Next, I'll go to the rivet. I'll fix it. Get the rivet. Go to the insert existing 3D part and go on to get the rivets and get that rivet and arrange it now. Now, don't go to the including selection. First, view this. Now, if you're unable to do this, make the yes, done like this. Rotate it. Now, let us complete this assembly like this. Zoom this area, and I wanted to get this thing coincide with this. That's it. Give it an update. So the rivet is fixed now. Similarly, you wanted to make it in this. So we have an option in the assembly as a pattern assembly. This make it in an one more. Now let us get it. Let us do it by one only. So do this. Let us go to the rivet once again and get the rivets. Go to the 3D insert existing 3D part and go to here rivet. Select the rivet. Get the rivet. Select this face. Rivet. Rotate and the surface. Next. Inside. Give it an update. Finish. Similarly, we have to do it for another rivet and you have to take it out as a draft. So go to the insert existing 3D part and go to the rivet, get the rivet, select the face and go rotate it and select this face. Done. Now rivet is done. So this let us convert in. Now assembly is done. So let us go to the draft. So go to the 3D and convert to the draft. Here we have to take the top view of the riveting system. So let us select the front view over here and go to there and select the top view. So this is what the top view will get. So if you want you can rotate it like this. Now let me take this is the top view and here go to here properties and view the hidden lines. and then you can generate the ratio. You can convert it into the this as in like that. This lines everything you can show it now. So let me teach you about this on next class. So thank you.